Bonsoir Kerry, on vient d'avoir un cours, donc je fais ton enregistrement maintenant, d'accord? Alors en fait, ça va être deux enregistrements. Alors on va résumer un maximum, d'accord? Alors je me réveille is I wake up à 7h30, ok? Déjeuner le matin, donc je déjeune, I can say that, hein? Je déjeune. Ça ne va pas marcher. Donc, je déjeune le matin et on peut dire je déjeune le matin à 7 heures. Whatever, doesn't matter. Ok? Je déjeune le matin à 7 heures de l'avoine, des jus de fruits, du thé, du jus d'orange, du citron. Ok? Je ne bois rien. Je ne fais rien. I don't do anything. I don't drink anything. I don't say anything. Je ne dis rien. Ok? Voilà. Donc, that was the story. You know, the small story. Let's see if I still have it around. Ah, voilà. Étoile filante. The shooting star. Étoile filante is a shooting star. OK? So, on va réduire. Voilà. Moustacha, trottinette, topinambour. Toi, tu montes et moi, je tiens l'échelle. I hold the ladder. So you go up and me, I hold the ladder. OK? J'en vois une. I see one. Je l'aurai, je l'aurai. I'll get it, I'll get it, I'll catch it, catch it. And poof, splash. Alors, elle se fait mal, la souris se fait mal et elle tombe sur le chat. Et vous avez vu la belle étoile filante. And you saw the beautiful shooting star. Ok, so, combien de personnages y a-t-il dans cette bande dessinée? Il y a 3 personnages. Écris le nom des personnages. Eh bien, nous avons Moustacha, Trottinette et Topinambour. Ok, on dit toutes les histoires. Ok, voiture, étoile, armoire, voile. This guy. Okay, so we have different sounds like le roi, une poire, O-I, O-I, le toit, O-I, un poisson, O-I. Ok? So anyway, c'est fait. Voilà. So I summarized everything here. Quels sont les pays où on parle français? Combien de pays parlent le français dans le monde? So that was still another one. Hold on. C'était, je crois... I'm not quite sure if it's this one. So we could have talked about this one actually. Okay, let me just check quickly. Because that was... Yeah, this one. La classe B1. Alors, on parle le français au Canada, mais au Québec. Ok. À la Guadeloupe, à la Martinique, en Haïti, en Guyane française, en Polynésie française, au Cambodge, Vietnam, Laos. That's not the official language. Comores, Mayotte, Maurice, Réunion. I disagree with Canada because it's only Quebec. They don't like speaking French in the rest of Canada. So part of different countries in Africa, okay, en Afrique. Donc la France, la Suisse, la Corse, Monaco, Andorre, Belgique, Luxembourg et au Liban. Ok? Donc on revient ici. Un concert, la classe, page 43. Page 43, c'est parti, je crois que c'est là. Non. Ça c'est 41, 42 et 43. Bah c'était pas ça. I don't think we did that. 44. 43. Yeah, I don't know why I put 43, but anyway. So, page 43, ok. Tu aimes les piscines dans le jardin? Ok. Tu aimes les piscines dans le jardin? Oui, j'aime les piscines dans le jardin. Ok. So, une piscine. Les cheveux, the hair, it's plural in French. Quelle est la couleur de tes cheveux? Quelle est la couleur de tes yeux? Est-ce que tu as un petit ou un grand nez? Okay. Est-ce que tu as un petit ou un grand cou? Est-ce que tu as les bras longs, les jambes longues, les grands pieds, etc. Okay. And based on the body parts, well, you can talk about if you're hurt, if it's painful. J'ai mal à la tête, I have a headache. J'ai mal aux jambes, my legs hurt. J'ai mal à l'oreille, there is an accent here. My ear is painful or hurts. J'ai mal au ventre, belly ache. Se sentir is to feel. Be careful because if you drop se, it's to smell. Okay? So I can say, je me sens bien. Let me write it. Je me sens bien. I feel good. Je me sens mal. Feel bad. Je me sens mieux. That means I feel better. Okay? To run, courir. To walk, marcher. To jump, sauter. To swim, nager. Okay? This is great. It's for kids, but you have a lot of stuff to review the basic vocabulary. A lot. It's not about making sentences, it's more like a small vocabulary. Okay? So write a short memory, le docteur, the nurse. That's this. It's a small story. 6 minutes. I'm not going to play the whole thing. Here we go. So you can take a Google Translate, a dictionary, whatever, and you can just make sure you can write a small text. This is about the body parts I was telling you about. There is a video, and also you have this. La main, la tête, le cou, la jambe, les bras, le ventre, le pied, les épaules. Okay? And if there you go. Les parties du corps humain. It's like the parts of the human body. Okay? Voilà. Now, coming back to what we did today, we talked about art. Les beaux-arts. It can be une école, c'est une école, un musée. Ok. Est-ce que tu aimes la peinture? Oui. Donc le trompe-l'œil. I think it's trompe-l'œil now. I'm having a doubt. It's if you check on the dictionary, trompe-œil. Tromperie, non, trompe-l'œil. I don't have anything. That's weird. Trompe-l'œil, here we go. Okay, it's a realistic optical illusion, la 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 la. So we saw this kind of building, un immeuble, and there was a zipper. Sur le building, c'est irréel, it's surreal. Okay? Comment tu réagirais? How would you react if you see that at your school? You can say, je trouve que c'est nul. I think it's worthless. It's worth nothing. Etc., etc. You can. This is what I wanted you to do, to express your emotions, your feeling, your taste. Combien coûte cette peinture? We saw a picture of a painting of du buffet. Okay, this guy, he made pretty much the same kind of art. So, tu trouves que c'est nul? Tu trouves que c'est cher? And one of his paintings was valued at 457,000, something like that. Okay. We saw also some gray blocks, very ugly stuff, and I don't like it. I don't like the worshipping of the genocide and the Holocaust. J'aime, I like it. Je n'aime pas trop, I don't quite like it. C'est moche, it's ugly. C'est stupide, we know what it means. Qu'est-ce que tu penses de l'architecture contemporaine? So, l'architecture contemporaine, c'est cool. Qu'est-ce que tu penses de la haute couture? High fashion. Like all this expensive dress and outfits you cannot wear on the street. Qu'est-ce que tu penses du cinéma indépendant? Okay, there is a festival of independent movies. It's called Sundance. Okay, learn about this guy. It's very important. You know, Rembrandt was the Flemish Renaissance. You can also Google some of his paintings. You're gonna probably recognize some. Okay, so I think it's good to know some artists. Very interesting because you can talk about that also when you write different essays. So it depends also the topic. La Renaissance. Il y a la Renaissance italienne et la Renaissance flamande. We saw also prehistoric art. Les empreintes de main, the handprints. Okay. Est-ce que tu aimes ce style d'art? Est-ce que tu aimes ce style d'art? C'est préhistorique mais c'est beau. Okay. If I click here, I'm going to show you Lascaux, les grottes de Lascaux. Lascaux. And it's the same, huh? Okay. And it's here. It wasn't too far from my place. I should have gone. I think at that time it was closed. Yeah. But I need to go with my daughter. Alors, we saw also a very minimalist apartment with no furniture. So, est-ce que tu aimerais vivre dans un appartement comme ça? Oui, peut-être. Qu'est-ce que tu changerais? So, we can say minimalist. Let's say building, architecture. Non. Architecture. Yeah, it's like simple. There's nothing. So nothing minimaliste. Peinture, la peinture minimaliste. La sculpture minimaliste. And so forth. Voilà. Une maison minimaliste. Un jardin minimaliste. Une peinture minimaliste, etc., etc., etc. Okay. Donc, qu'est-ce que tu changerais? On enlève les lumières. Remember, there was this kind of, lights, large lights, tubes, donc, on enlève les lumières. Remove. On ajoute, ajouter des lumières sur le plafond. Ajouter is to add. Enlever, to remove. Take off. Get rid. Ajouter, to add. Des lumières, the lights on the ceiling. Ajouter des rideaux sur les fenêtres. To add curtains on the windows. Curtains, les rideaux. De quelle couleur? And tu m'avais dit blanc. You told me white. Est-ce que tu aimes ce type de peinture avec les vaches? We saw a painting, very I don't know. A very weird painting with some cows, so I asked you if you liked it, and you said yes, and I told you it's boring. Pour moi, c'est ennuyant. Okay. Est-ce que tu connais l'art contemporain? Qu'est-ce que l'art? L'art, c'est très vieux, it's very old. L'art, c'est très préhistorique, comme Lascaux. L'art, c'est très contemporain, moderne, etc. L'art, c'est la Renaissance italienne. Renaissance italienne. Let me just change that. Because it's feminine. Comme Léonard de Vinci, Leonardo da Vinci. Un artiste préféré. Personnellement, j'aime Léonard de Vinci, mais j'aime aussi Léonard de Vinci, j'aime Rembrandt, j'aime Michelangelo. Comment il s'appelle? Attends. Michelangelo. Michel-Ange, oui, c'est Michelangelo. Ok. Voilà. He made a lot of sculptures. And also paintings. This one, you know. Michel-Ange. Voilà. There's a Sixtine Chapel in Italy, and yeah, actually it's very small, and it's on the ceiling, and you can also check the virtual. You can visit the Sistine Chapel online. I did that with my daughter the other day. Not this. Vaticani. Yeah, I think that's the same website. So you can go to Musei Vaticani .va. Okay. You can check the ceiling. There's like this kind of virtual stuff. I don't know if it's here or what. But anyway. Yeah, it should be around, but I don't know why they don't allow me to go. Maybe it stopped. Maybe they no longer do this kind of stuff. Okay, so le musée. Yeah. They don't show anything. Discover the virtual tour. There we go. So it's not just the Sistine Chapel, huh? It's a lot of museum. So you don't have to go to Italy. You can start right there. Here we go. So it's really, really nice, because so you enter, blah blah blah, up, it's loading. Shouldn't be loading. Okay, I want to check. It's not the main attraction actually, because it's here. So I want to zoom. Yeah, I want to zoom. So it looks like it's big, but it's not. You see? So yeah, many other things as well. Showing his boat, etc., etc. And there is a movie, The Pope, and at some point they sit here and they talk. No, they don't sit here. They sit here on the side or something. So it's a bit boring, huh? It's very minimalist. You have nothing. And yeah, I imagine the smell. Very old smell. But anyway, that's a Sistine Chapel. Just one big room with a lot of paintings everywhere on the ceiling and stuff like that. Okay, I invite you to check, because it's a very nice way to learn about art. Okay, there we go. That is for you. You have a wonderful week. I'll see you on Wednesday at 9 o'clock. Okay. Merci pour ta présence, Kerry. À mercredi. Au revoir.